Did you know that over 20 million people in the United States alone suffer from some form of nerve damage? Quite a staggering number, isn't it? This damage can take many forms and impact lives in a multitude of ways. It's not just about the physical pain, which in itself can be excruciating, but the unseen effects that can be even more debilitating. Think about it. Our nerves are like the electrical wiring of our bodies. They carry messages from our brain to every other part of our body. They tell our muscles to move, allow us to feel a gentle breeze or a lover's touch, and they let us know when we're in danger. Now imagine if that wiring was damaged. Messages from the brain may not get through, or they could be distorted. Movements can become difficult or even impossible. Sensations could be lost, or they might become painful. This is the reality for those living with nerve damage, but it's not just the physical symptoms that can take a toll. Nerve damage can also affect a person's mental health. It can lead to feelings of frustration, anxiety, and even depression. Everyday tasks can become challenging, hobbies and activities once enjoyed can be rendered impossible. Relationships can strain, and the overall quality of life can decrease dramatically. The wide-ranging impacts of nerve damage underscore the importance of research in this field. By understanding the causes and mechanisms of nerve damage, scientists can work towards developing effective treatments and potentially even a cure. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to improving the lives of those affected by nerve damage. And let's not forget the economic impact. The cost of managing nerve damage can be immense, from medical bills to lost wages, not to mention the societal cost of lost productivity. This further emphasizes the urgency of finding effective treatments. With such a significant impact on people's lives, the quest for effective nerve damage repair remains a crucial focus in medical research. As we delve further into this topic, remember, every bit of progress made is a beacon of hope for those living with nerve damage. Recently, scientists have made groundbreaking discoveries in the realm of nerve damage repair. Picture this: you've just been introduced to a world where nerve damage is not a life sentence, but a condition that can be effectively treated. Sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, right? Well, brace yourselves, because that's the kind of world recent scientific breakthroughs are nudging us towards. In the past, nerve damage was considered irreversible. A severed nerve meant a permanent loss of function. However, latest research findings are turning this belief on its head. Scientists have discovered that nerves in fact possess the ability to regenerate. Yes, you heard it right. Nerves can grow back, but how, you may ask? Well, it all boils down to the intricate workings of our cells. Our body houses special cells called Schwann cells. These cells act as nerve guardians, repairing and regenerating nerve tissues when needed. Previously, their potential was underestimated, but now, scientists have uncovered their true capabilities. When a nerve is damaged, Schwann cells spring into action. They clear the debris and secrete substances that promote nerve growth. Recent studies have shown that boosting these cells can enhance nerve regeneration. A magic potion for nerve damage? Not quite, but it's a significant leap forward. This discovery has opened up new avenues for nerve damage treatment. Imagine therapies that could stimulate your own cells to repair damaged nerves. We're talking about targeted treatments that could potentially restore lost functions. A world where a spinal cord injury may not mean lifelong paralysis, or a stroke may not mean a lifetime of dependency. However, it's crucial to remember that we're still in the early stages of this exciting journey. A lot more research is needed to translate these findings into effective treatments. Yet the future looks promising. With continued exploration and understanding, we may soon witness a revolution in the way nerve damage is treated. These cutting-edge findings bring a new ray of hope for those affected by nerve damage. And that, my friends, is a future worth striving for. Let's delve a little deeper into what these research findings mean. What we're talking about here isn't just a medical advancement, it's a revolution in the way we approach nerve damage. To truly appreciate the magnitude of this breakthrough, let's break it down in understandable terms. Imagine a highway bustling with cars and trucks. This highway represents our nervous system, and the vehicles are the nerve signals. When everything is running smoothly, traffic flows unimpeded. But when there's an accident, or in our case nerve damage, that flow is disrupted. Signals can't get through, leading to a range of issues from mild discomfort to severe disability. Now, what this research has done is akin to developing a new, highly efficient road repair crew. This crew doesn't just patch up the road, it rebuilds it, making it as good as new, and traffic begins to flow again. That's essentially what we're looking at here, a mechanism to repair damaged nerves, restoring them to their original state. But what does this mean for the future of nerve damage treatment? Well, it could mean a lot. Firstly, it opens up new possibilities for treating conditions that were previously deemed irreversible. Conditions such as peripheral neuropathy, characterized by damage to the nerves outside of the brain and spinal cord, could potentially be treated more effectively. Secondly, this could also significantly improve the quality of life for those suffering from nerve damage. Imagine a world where individuals with nerve damage are no longer bound by their condition, where they can live without pain, regain lost sensation, and return to their normal activities. And the potential implications don't stop there. If this research can be further developed and applied in real-world settings, it could even mean a reduction in healthcare costs. Think about it. More effective treatments mean fewer hospital visits, less medication, and a lower need for ongoing care. But as with all scientific advancements, it's important to temper our excitement with a dose of realism. This research is a huge step forward, no doubt about it, but there's still a long way to go. Clinical trials need to be conducted, potential side effects need to be investigated, and the process of getting these treatments approved and available to the public is a long one. Yet the promise is there, shining like a beacon of hope for those afflicted by nerve damage. It's a testament to the power of scientific research and a reminder of the incredible potential that lies within the realm of medical science. Clearly, these breakthroughs have the potential to change the landscape of nerve damage treatment, and though we still have a journey ahead of us, the destination is certainly worth the effort. So, let's keep our eyes on the horizon, as we eagerly anticipate the dawn of a new era in nerve damage repair. So, what can we expect in the future? In the realm of scientific discovery, the future is always an exciting unknown. Based on the compelling findings we've shared today, it's clear that the future of nerve damage repair is on the brink of a revolution. For starters, imagine a world where permanent nerve damage is a thing of the past. With the potential for damaged nerves to be fully repaired, conditions such as paralysis, loss of sensation, and chronic pain could be effectively treated and even reversed. This new research can significantly improve the quality of life for millions of people worldwide suffering from nerve damage. However, this vision of the future isn't without its challenges. The science of nerve repair is complex and delicate. Harnessing the body's natural healing mechanisms, while promising, requires a deep and nuanced understanding of human biology. There's also the matter of translating these laboratory breakthroughs into practical, safe, and effective treatments. Clinical trials, regulatory approvals, and the development of new medical protocols all take time and resources. Yet, the potential rewards are immense. We could see the advent of new therapeutic techniques, the development of innovative medical devices, and the birth of an entirely new field dedicated to nerve repair. This research could also open doors to understanding and treating other neurological conditions. The possibilities are as vast as they are exciting. In the world of science, each discovery is a stepping stone leading us to new horizons. The research into nerve damage repair is one such stepping stone. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. There's a lot of work ahead, but the progress we've made is encouraging. Every day, we're getting closer to turning this groundbreaking research into reality. As we continue to push the boundaries of our understanding, the future for nerve damage repair looks promising indeed. Today, we've taken a journey through the exciting world of nerve damage repair research. We've delved into the unseen impact of nerve damage, an issue that affects countless individuals worldwide. By peeling back the layers, we've explored the groundbreaking advancements in this field, shining a spotlight on the latest research findings that are changing the game. We've unpacked the research, discussing the intricacies and implications of these discoveries. From the microscopic details to the larger picture, we've seen how these breakthroughs hold the potential to transform lives. We've also taken a peek into the future, contemplating the potential prospects that these developments bring forth. Indeed, the world of nerve damage repair research is a dynamic, ever-evolving landscape. It's a testament to human resilience and the constant pursuit of betterment. Stay tuned for more updates in this exciting field of research.